Right, so Edwin's done a couple of laps around the unit on the Enduro 125cc. Edwin, what was it like to ride this particular bike?
You can't beat a two-stroke. The acceleration, the sound of it, you cannot go wrong. Beautiful bike to ride, nice and smooth. I did find another neutral, but I mean that's standard on an old bike like this. But yeah, it's a nice bike.
Did you own Enduro yourself back in the day?
Back in the day, an old DT 175 around the farm. Yeah, used to love it.
And what does this bike compare to something like what you used to ride?
Completely different.
Right, okay.
This is a proper classic to a 1974 DT 175. But yeah, it's a nice bike, nice and smooth. It's a proper collector's bike.
Absolutely. Now you talk about that. This bike comes with a fair bit of paperwork as well, which is always fantastic with these kind of older collectible bikes. It's got some spare badges. It's got some old DKW stickers as well. And even the key, you mentioned before about the 4 rings. Even the key has got those famous four Audi kind of rings on there as well. So it's got a lot of history, this particular bike, which is one of the reasons that we wanted to show it to you. Now, who might this bike appeal to, do you think, Edwin?
I would say any classic collector, or your Sunday afternoon rides. It'd be great. This bike's never going to lose you a fortune. It's as rare as hen's teeth.
Yep.
So I don't think it's going to be something that you're going to just be able to get off a shelf anywhere. It's a really unusual bike.
As we've mentioned, we think it's the only one available currently here in the UK at this time when we're filming 2026. So if you want any more information on this particular bike or any of the other vehicles, motorcycles that Edwin's got in store, all the details on the screen, email address and the website too. You can see behind us, I think we've got a BSA. We might do that next week, we'll see. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for future videos. We've got loads more to come and we really appreciate your support. And if you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to give us a like and follow and to tag your friends as well. And from myself, from Edwin and the 1971 DKW Enduro 125cc, we'll see you again next time.